Hi, Daniel Parsons, and excited to be back with you. And I am a Life Pharm independent business owner located in the United States of America. And that is also my handle on Telegram, just simply my name, Daniel Parsons. And so Telegram website is t.me and then / my name, Daniel Parsons. So you can contact me from anywhere in the world that way. Other issue I want to bring up with you today, there is a 48-hour sale that started today with the Life Pharm company. So let me go on screen share and show you that right now. This is exciting. These CELLNERGY Terahertz devices, the foot charge there on your left and the red light Terahertz therapy CELLNERGY device on your right. Now until midnight Pacific time on Friday, May the 1st, you can save 25% and use code SAVE25. And so want to just scroll down here and show you your body does a lot for you, give it something back. And so the website is mylifepharm.com/Daniel. And so I'll show you how to spell Life Pharm. Here's all the details right here. If there's something that you need to research, you can stop the video and look there. It's available in most countries in the world. Okay. And the foot charge device, I really enjoy that every evening before bed. It helps my sleep. And you can see here, right here at Life Pharm, that's how that's spelled. And so my website again, mylifepharm.com/Daniel. So I'm going to stop sharing here. I want to give you my phone number, Pacific time zone weekdays. I'll be available until 5 p.m. Pacific time on May the 1st. And that phone is 360-383-0265. And I really enjoy the Life Pharm products. They've helped my wellness. They've helped me deal with, pain and stuff, that discomfort that you get as you get older and you have joint problems and things like that. I might as well give you my disclaimer here. Life Pharm products are not intended to treat, diagnose, cure, prevent any disease or illness. Always consult with a licensed medical provider for your wellness needs. So we'll see you on the next video. And this is Daniel, excited about this special. It can help people save some pretty big money on those devices. Bye for now.